Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix verification code not received. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your connection first. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection or a proper mobile network signal. Without it, verification codes may not come through. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a quick restart fixes temporary glitches. Simply power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Check message settings. Now, let's check your iPhone settings. Go to Settings and click on Apps. Next, click on Messages. Turn iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh message delivery. Make sure Send as text message is enabled, since many codes come via text and not iMessage. Now scroll down to filter unknown senders. If this is turned on, verification codes may be hidden. Switch it off so all codes appear in your inbox. Step 4. Autofill settings. Next, go back to Settings. Next, click on General. Now click on Passwords and Autofill. Look for the option Verification Codes. Delete after use. Turn this feature off, as it can sometimes remove codes before you have the chance to use them. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.